In this video, we will be talking about the fascinating process how olive oil is made, from the tree to the table. Imagine a world where every ingredient on your plate holds a tale of a remarkable journey. This world exists, all thanks to the humble olive. Let us take you on a captivating voyage that begins with sun-kissed olive groves, where ripe patiently bide their time, waiting to be plucked at the perfect moment. Once harvested, these olives embark on an incredible adventure, traveling from the tree to the press. This transformative journey is a spectacle in itself, as these humble olives evolve from fruit to luscious oil. As the press squeezes out the flavorful oil, each drop is a testament to the lengthy process and dedication it takes to bring the star ingredient from the grove to your table. Stick around as we delve deeper into the magic behind every drop of this liquid gold. But olive oil isn't just a liquid gold that tantalizes the palate. It's a health elixir that begins with careful preparation and pressing of olives. Indeed, the excellence of olive oil lies not only in its rich golden color, but also in its meticulous preparation process. To ensure the purity and quality, olives are hand-picked at the right time, making sure they aren't too ripe or too raw. The olives are then washed to any dirt and debris, preparing them for the all-important pressing process. You see, the olive pressing method is paramount in maintaining the quality of the oil. Traditionally, the olives are crushed into a paste using large stone wheels. The paste is then spread onto fiber discs, which are stacked on top of each other in a press. This press slowly extracts the oil, all while maintaining a cold temperature to preserve the oil's antioxidants and other healthful properties. But the process doesn't stop there. The extracted oil is then stored in stainless steel containers to protect it from light and heat that can degrade it. The oil, rich in monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties, is now ready to be bottled. And let's not forget olive oil, the key component of the Mediterranean diet, is made with such commitment to purity and quality. Studies have shown that consuming olive oil can help prevent strokes, regulate blood pressure levels, and even assist in weight management. All these health benefits, coupled with its potential to reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes, makes olive oil a treasure trove of healthful goodness. Incredible, isn't it? The humble olive, when meticulously pressed, yields a liquid gold that's not just a delight for your taste buds, but also a boon for your health. Now let's delve deeper into the making of this healthful elixir. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Healthy Food, Happy Lifestyle. On this channel you will get valuable tips to improve your health for a happy living. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to watch the video until the end. Like all fascinating processes, it starts with an essential requirement: the ripe olives gathered from the groves. These olives, hand-picked at the peak of ripeness, are the key producing our coveted olive oil. The process starts by sorting the harvest. Only the top-quality olives, separated from the rest, move forward. Any leaves, twigs, or other debris are removed with utmost care, ensuring that only the purest olives make it to the machinery. The selected olives are then treated with a thorough cleaning process. They are washed and dried to eliminate any remaining dirt or dust. This crucial step ensures that no foreign matter affects the end quality of the oil. Now, the stage is set for the true magic to happen. The clean, ripe olives are introduced to the modern machinery for crushing. They are propelled into a mechanical crusher, where olives are transformed into a thick, aromatic paste. The transformation is not physical, but sensory too. The act of crushing releases the fruit's aromatic oils, filling the air with an intoxicating, earthy aroma that is truly captivating. The sight of olives being converted into a rich, silken paste by the relentless force of the machinery, the aroma of the freshly released oils, and the hum of the machinery are an experience to behold. The olives have now undergone a mechanical metamorphosis. From this point, the olive paste will embark on the next stage of its journey, the press, a process that will further transform it from a simple paste to the liquid gold we recognize and relish. Now, we arrive at the heart of our olive oil journey, the pressing transformation. Our journey through this crucial stage of olive oil production begins with the crushing of the olives, turning them into a thick, aromatic paste. However, it is the pressing process that truly merits our attention. This is where the olive's precious liquid gold is liberated. Traditionally, the olive paste is spread onto fiber discs. These are then stacked and subjected to pressure. a process that forces out the oil and water present in the paste. Picture stacks of discs being squeezed under the weight of a large press, the oil trickling down and collected in a basin underneath. This is the traditional method, an age-old technique known for its simplicity and effectiveness. However, with the march of modern technology, olive oil production has evolved. Today, the physical pressing has been largely replaced with a centrifuge. The olive paste is spun at high speeds, a method that separates the oil from the water and solid particles. The centrifuge, with its speed and efficiency, has revolutionized the pressing process, making it cleaner and more efficient. Regardless of the method used, the principle remains the same. Break down the cell walls of the olives to release the oil within. And it's not just oil. When creating extra virgin olive oil, the pressing is done without heat or chemicals. A cold pressing method that ensures the oil retains its rich flavors and healthful properties. So, from the traditional pressing to the modern centrifuge, every step is a testament to the continuous evolution of the olive oil production. This painstaking care and respect for the olive, old and new methods alike, are what bring us the extraordinary healthful benefits of this golden oil. Thus, the magical transformation from olive paste to oil is realized, ready to be savored and enjoyed. The next time you drizzle olive oil over your salad or use it to sauté your vegetables, allow your mind to wander to the sun-kissed olive groves of the Mediterranean. Envision the centuries-old olive trees standing tall under the warm, golden sun, their gnarled and twisted trunks bearing the weight of plump, succulent olives. Each olive is a dew-kissed gem, ripened to perfection under the watchful gaze of the Mediterranean sun. Now imagine the time-honored tradition of olive harvesting. This meticulous process commences with the careful hand-picking of each individual fruit. Men and women with skilled hands and sharp eyes sort and select only the finest fruits. They ensure that only those olives that will contribute the rich, fruity flavor and the peppery finish that olive oil is known for are chosen. These selected fruits are then gently transported to state-of-the-art presses. There, you can envision them being crushed under the firm weight of modern machinery, their skins giving way to release the golden liquid that is the heart of countless dishes. This oil, with its distinct flavor that ranges from sweet and buttery to grassy and spicy, undergoes a rigorous purification process to ensure it's free of impurities. The oil is filled into glass bottles in a meticulous bottling process, sealed tightly and thoroughly checked to ensure it reaches your kitchen in the best possible state. Each bottle is a testament to the hard work, dedication, and passion that goes into producing olive oil. If you don't want to miss out on more tips and tricks about health and food for a happy life, click on one of our next videos right now, which are linked here. If you like our videos, we would be happy if you subscribe to our channel, share the video with your friends, and leave a comment with your opinion about this topic. Stay healthy and see you soon.